Learning more about what evidence could be used during a murder trial for a former Mayo Clinic doctor accused of fatally poisoning his wife. Thanks for being with us. I'm Brock Burgee.
And I'm Caitlin Alexander. Connor Bowman is charged with first and second degree murder for the death of Betty Bowman. She died suspiciously in the hospital in August 2023. Investigators say they believe she was poisoned. KTTC's Olivia Pronzinski has been following the back and forth between the defense and prosecution about what evidence should be brought before a jury. Olivia.
Brock and Caitlin, this lengthy order has a lot of complicated arguments in case law. The judge denying a good portion of the defense's request to suppress evidence due to the search warrants lacking particularity. Although the defense still came out with a win, as it previously argued some of the evidence was taken unconstitutionally. The defense's win boils down to 2 search warrants. The judge has ruled some of the evidence seized was taken unconstitutionally. The warrants called for the search of 14 electronic devices found inside the Bowman's home. The judge says besides one laptop that belonged to the University of Kansas, where Connor worked for poison control, all of the other devices had an expectation of privacy. All comes down to the language used inside the search warrants. Now, both of the search warrants use the same language. The judge says evidence found from the first 2 bullet points in the search warrant may be used. Those call for the search of data showing the ownership of the device and data indicating the possession or use of the device. That information will be allowed. It's the language in the final 3 bullet points the judge calls unconstitutional. The warrant looked at for data regarding toxic, hazardous, or controlled substances, financial matters, divorce, or personal relationship information. Although the judge says the language of the warrant did not limit the searches solely to this data, making it unconstitutional. The judge is allowing some of the evidence to be used, and some of the evidence should be stricken from the record. Now, questions still remain on some of the defense's request. The judge has yet to issue a ruling on whether or not some of the warrants violated doctor privilege, since Connor is a doctor. That should be coming soon. A future court date has yet to be set, and the court still hasn't given a timeline of when Connor should go to trial. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Olivia Pronzinski.